Oi lads, it's Danny here today bringing you a lovely video. So today's video, what we're going to do is basically prove the negative exponent rule, right? So before we jump into it, I want you to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first step that you are going to need to do is write one of the properties of exponents. So the property we're going to need for this proof is this one right before you. X to the power of n times x to the power of m is equal to x to the power of n plus m. So this is a very important property, and the next step once you have done that is that we're gonna say that let m is equal to negative n. We are gonna substitute this in wherever you see an m inside this equation, and there's two important parameters that we must state. The first one being x cannot be equal to 0, and n must be a positive quantity for this to work, basically. Right, so once we have established this, we are going to substitute this inside our equation. So you are going to have x to the power of n times x to the power of negative n, and on the right hand side you are going to have x to the power of n plus minus n, right? So what you're going to notice straight away on the right hand side, this is going to be x to the power of 0, basically. And when you got an exponent of 0, no matter what number you have in the base, you are always going to obtain equal to 1. So therefore x to the power of 0 is basically equal to 1, really, right? So once you have reached this point, what you are going to need to do is cancel x to the power of n on both sides of this equation. On the left hand side and right hand side respectively, the left hand side is going to cancel out, and what you are going to be left with is x to the power of n is equal to 1 divided by x to the power of n. Therefore, we have basically proved the negative exponent rule. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.